In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a HubSpot website in 2025. Whether you're creating a site for personal use or for professional purposes, HubSpot offers a range of tools that make this process smooth and intuitive. Let's get started on this journey to craft a website that aligns seamlessly with your brand. First up, you need to open HubSpot and make sure that you're logged into your account. Having your personal account ready is crucial because it gives you access to all the features and customization options available to you on the platform. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the trial guide. This section is essentially your starting point. It contains a wealth of resources that are vital for setting off your form building process effectively. Think of it as your toolkit, providing guidance, best practices, and the fundamental steps you'll need. Now that you're geared up with all the necessary resources, head back to your homepage. From here, you'll want to focus your attention on the content section. This is where the magic starts to happen. Click on Content and a drop-down menu should appear. From the options available, select Website Pages. This is a crucial step as it directs you to the segment of HubSpot where you'll actually construct your website. Once you're in Website Pages, you'll want to click on Create. This button essentially acts as your blank canvas, inviting you to start building the site you envision. Now, you'll be prompted to select a template. HubSpot offers a variety of templates designed to cater to different styles and industries. Take your time to browse through the options and pick one that resonates with your vision and purpose. After selecting a template, you'll have the flexibility to customize your page to your heart's content. This is where you can infuse your brand's personality into your website. Feel free to add elements that reflect your brand identity. You might want to incorporate specific color schemes, fonts, or images that make your brand recognizable at first glance. HubSpot's customization tools make it relatively easy to drag and drop elements or adjust them to suit your needs. Remember, your website serves as a digital storefront, so it's worth investing the time to get these details right. And finally, once you're satisfied with your layout and all the elements are in place, it's time to make your site live. Hit the Publish button, and voila! Your HubSpot website is ready to go. It's now accessible to your audience and reflects the brand identity you've worked to build. Well, there you have it. Building a website on HubSpot in 2025 isn't just about the steps. It's about crafting an online presence that truly resonates with your vision. I hope this guide helps you in creating a website that you can be proud of. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your web building journey.